How to check Buffalo Wild Wings gift card balance online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Buffalo Wild Wings gift card page. Here, scroll down. At the bottom, you'll find check balance or gift card balance. Click on check balance in here. After you click on check balance in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, first, enter your 16-digit gift card number with no spaces. After you have added your gift card number, if your card has an 8-digit PIN, enter. And after you've entered, click on I am not a robot and then press on check balance at the bottom. If your number is digit, you'll find the balance in your gift card. This is how to check a Buffalo Wild Wings gift card balance online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.